Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Welcome to 7619 Painted Desert, a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled on a quiet street in Cypress, Texas. The inviting floor plan features a downstairs primary suite with a garden tub, separate shower, and generous closet space. Enjoy a large eat-in kitchen complete with a microwave and refrigerator, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile game room, 3 additional bedrooms, and a full bath. Laminate hardwood flooring adds warmth throughout. Located near top-rated sci-fi schools, shopping, area pools, and playgrounds, this home offers both comfort and convenience in a growing community.